looking for a high-quality, versatile stove and oven for your RV, then you need to check out RecPro's Freestanding Gas Range. This propane range is the perfect solution to all your cooking needs while out on the road. To use RecPro's stove, first make sure your RV's propane supply is turned on. For the gas burners, find the knob for the corresponding burner you want to use. Then push and turn the knob counterclockwise to the high position, pushing in and holding the knob until the flame comes on. Once lit, adjust the knob to the level you need for what you are cooking. For the oven, first lightly press the center knob and turn it counterclockwise to the minimum position, holding down the knob for no more than 15 seconds until the oven burner ignites. Then adjust the knob to the desired temperature. It features a 4-burner cooktop with removable grates for simple cleaning. These burners include flame sensors, which ensure safety by automatically cutting off the gas supply if no flame is detected within seconds. The range also has an oven with an interior fan that circulates heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is faster than a traditional oven. The oven interior also contains a light switch and an adjustable rack with 7 positions, so it can accommodate a wide variety of dishes and pans. Another great feature about this gas range is the high-end burner knobs. They are made of metal and provide a long-lasting finish. This gas range runs on 110-volt AC and is fueled by propane with a 3/8-inch LP fitting. This RV gas range is available in stainless steel or black. If you'd like to know the dimensions of this product, we'll have them up on the screen so you can pause the video and take a look. If you'd like to learn more about RecPro's freestanding gas range, go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.